If you are trying to figure out how to export your annotated PDFs from Endnote into a PDF reader, this video is going to show you exactly how to do that step by step. So if you're in Endnote, you can see that in this case, I have this one PDF here that I have highlighted and added some sticky notes into. If I want to be able to export out that PDF so I can open it up in something like Adobe Acrobat, I can very simply just click on the reference that I want, right click on it, and go down to this file attachments here. Then I'm going to hit save as. This is going to save that PDF. So in this case, I'm going to call it the last name, and then I usually add edited onto it and just click save. So if we go into our downloads, we can then click on that one PDF to open it up. And here we can see that we now have our PDF. So we have the highlights that are there, highlights here, we have the sticky notes or the comments that we put on it, and the strikeouts. And you can see that these are all tracked over here on the right in the comments. So you have the highlighted checks that you can jump around to. So if we want to go to the very top, the first highlighted text, it'll bring that up and we can kind of jump around using this right-hand side for what we want, or we can just read through it. You can also print it out and it will maintain these highlights. If you're in Adobe Acrobat and you go to print, so if you want to print it, you can print just as the document. That will take off any of the markups to it. You can print as the document and markups, which is going to let it be highlighted, underlined, strike through, whichever you wanted to do. And then you can also click this summarize comments button. And what this is going to do is it's going to create a new version of the document where it will have individual pages with the summary comments. So you can see this is the same first page, but because I have a comment on my second page here, it says that page's comments is going to be available there, and then it'll go on into that page. And then it summarizes the comments or the highlighted text or anything like that. Anything that you saw on the right hand, it's going to summarize what is going on there for the previous page. And so you can have all these summarized comments if you want the comments to stay with it as well. And you can print it out, or you can just use it in Adobe Acrobat itself. So I'm going to cancel that because I don't want to print anything out. And here's my PDF again with all of those annotations included in it. If you're working on a research paper, I hope you get my scientific research paper checklist available below. It's a free download that's going to walk you through how to complete your scientific papers more easily and with less stress. So you can get that in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.